How long you been doing it now?
21 hours. Feels like 7 days. But still having a good time, and it's still for a good cause. And I'm still very excited about doing it.
Are you tired?
I'm tired.
How did you stay awake?
Friends came by, friends emailed and texted me, and people talking to me, and the sheer coldness of the night kept me awake also.
What are you asking people for today?
Prayer and continued contact in case to keep me awake so I can make it to 10 o'clock tonight.
Johnson.
We are trying to help break the world record here for bell ringing. Hanging out here with Captain Perine, who is over there bundled up. And we got the Salvation Army band. And we hope to see a lot of people, and we hope to help a lot of people this holiday season. So Merry Christmas from Fox 5, and we hope we help.